When it comes to note-taking and second brain apps, three names always come up: Obsidian, Notion, and NotebookLM. But which one actually deserves your time? No fluff, no bias, just what you need to know before committing your notes, ideas, and brain power to one platform. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm exposing it so you don't get misled. Let's start with Obsidian. If you care about privacy, offline access, and deep knowledge linking, Obsidian is powerful. It stores your notes locally, uses markdown, and lets you connect ideas through backlinks and graph view. Perfect for researchers, writers, and deep thinkers who want full control. But it has a learning curve and can feel overwhelming at first. Now Notion, this one is clean, all-in-one, and beginner-friendly. You can build dashboards, manage projects, track habits, and collaborate with teams in real time. The downside? It's cloud-based, can feel slow with large databases, and you're locked into their ecosystem. Then there's NotebookLM by Google. It's AI-focused. You upload your sources, and it summarizes, explains, and answers questions based on only your documents. It's amazing for studying and research, but it depends heavily on AI and internet access, and customization is limited compared to the other two. So here's the real question. Do you want control, structure, or AI assistance? If you're building a long-term personal knowledge system, Obsidian is strong. If you want productivity and collaboration in one place, Notion wins. If you want AI to help you understand complex material faster, NotebookLM is powerful. There is no best app, only the best one for your workflow. If this breakdown helped you decide, hit like, subscribe, and comment which one you're using. And if you're still unsure, watch this again before you move your entire digital brain into the wrong app.